BitGet launches $100 million Web3 fund to support next-gen crypto projects in Asia. Established in 2018, BitGet is the world's leading cryptocurrency exchange with futures, trading, and copy trading services as its key features. BitGet launched its BitGet Web3 fund during the Hong Kong Blockchain Week. Now, this fund will focus on investing in Web3-friendly venture capital and outstanding Web3 projects, with the goal of supporting the development of the next generation of crypto projects. Now, the BitGet exchange is adhering to a go beyond derivative strategy with the launch of BitGet Web3 Fund. The BitGet Web3 Fund will seek out VCs and projects globally, but prioritize partners in Asia that have a clear roadmap and an experienced team, and those that offer innovative solutions to real-world problems. Now, if you want to know about communities like this, come to the Gamic app. We've got communities and communities. Also, we've got a brand new feature, airdrop.